Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend and enjoyed a few days off of schoolwork and enjoyed some time outside yesterday when it was so nice out. I'm going to go over your assignments for the week, but one thing I want to point out for you guys first is please make sure that you are looking at any announcements I'm posting right here in the stream, okay? It's where I post every morning to go through the assignments for the day and I give you helpful tips and notes and things that you guys that I want you guys to pay close attention to for that day. So make sure you're watching the videos and reading all my announcements that I post here. Sometimes a lot of you have asked me a question already and it's only like 10 or 11 in the morning. So I'll get on here and I'll just post the answer or post a video so that if some others have questions later in the day, the answer is already posted there for you. So please make sure that you are looking for any announcements I'm posting right here, okay? You'll find super important information all right here on the stream. Videos I might post, make sure you're watching for all of those things. All right, let's go ahead and go to classwork. Weekly assignments for April 27th to May 1st. Social studies assignment, go ahead and click on Google Slides and they'll open for you. Might take a second to load because there's quite a few of them here. So this week you're going to be working through the Social Studies America, Heritage, and Culture magazine. Okay, so the date is down in the corner for the day you should complete the slides. And I did record on these slides as well. So you'll hover over this little box over here, the volume box it looks like, and you can click play and it's going to play the slide for you in case it's really small on your screen or just in case you kind of want a break from reading and staring at your computer screen. So look for these little voice things for me to read the slides for you. So you're going to do all the slides that say April 27th. Then we get to this slide, 2 things you learned and 2 things you are wondering about. Okay, so you'll only have to do the slides until you hit the 2 things you learned, 2 things you wonder, and that's a clue that you're done for that day. So you'll do slides 1 through 9 today. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the reading, grammar, and vocabulary assignment are all on one Google Slides. Okay, they're all on one presentation together. So make sure you're moving through those slides and really paying attention to the day, okay, that it's telling you at the top. So if you click on those Google Slides and open them up, so this week you're going to find the directions for reading, grammar, and vocabulary, okay? It's really important that you read all of the slides carefully to make sure you get everything done for each day and you know what you're supposed to do. So Monday right here, go ahead and read this slide. Monday right here, read this slide and follow your directions. You're going to click right here and the pushing up the sky play is going to pop up. I don't want you to read it all yet. I just want you to scroll through. Just scroll through and look at it and take notes about 2 things that's different than any other story you've read before, and maybe 2 things that are the same as a story that you've read before. Next slide says Monday as well. Okay, so this is now grammar. So this week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday will be grammar. Tuesday and Thursday, you'll do vocabulary. Okay, so grammar. Watch the video. Then here, you're going to rewrite the cities and the states right over here correctly using a comma and capital letters. So backspace that type here and type in your answer. The next slide says Tuesday, so it's a big clue that you can wait. You don't have to do this slide. So today for reading and grammar, you're going to do slides 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's go ahead and look at the math assignment for this week. All right, Monday story problem review. Okay, so here are all your steps for today. You're going to practice multiplication and division story problems. First, you're going to practice on your own. Then we're going to do kind of a class project together that I'm super excited about. So it says first, go to Prodigy. Prodigy is linked right here. Remember, click sign in with Google. That's going to sign you into your school account. And then practice the story problems for 15 minutes. I assigned you multiplication and division story problems. That's why I want you on your school account. So then I know you're practicing the skill that I assigned. So please make sure you're signing in with your school account. So do play Prodigy for 15 minutes. Then you're going to go to our class Google Doc. And I want you to create at least 3 multiplication or division story problems for your classmates. Okay, so click on the link here. It's going to bring up this Google Doc for you. So type in your name and then 3 story problems. I want you to leave the equation and answer box blank. So you're going to do kind of similar to what I did. Name, story problem, name, story problem, name, and then story problem. Okay? Please be aware when you are typing and working, other students might be typing and working in here as well. So make sure you're not typing in anyone else's boxes. Make sure you choose one that's empty to type your name into and then your story problem. Okay? Leaving the equation and the answer boxes blank for now. Okay? That is your math assignment. Then you're going to go ahead and take the story problem practice quiz. Read the directions carefully. It's a little bit different than the one you took last week, but most of us did awesome. All of us actually did very well on the quiz that we took last week. So hopefully you can read the directions carefully and do just as well on the one you take today. And then lastly is your writing assignment for the week. All right, so for Monday today, the writing assignment's going to be super short and sweet. Read this slide carefully. And then right here, okay, so each day this week, you're going to be writing either an email or a letter to whoever the directions say at the top. Today, I just want you to watch sending a letter in the mail video and sending an email video from BrainPop. So if you click here, it will take you to the videos. Here's your username and your password to make those videos play. I know last week some of us were having problems, and at the top it said BrainPop was kind of going through some difficult things. They were having some technical difficulties. So if you can't get it to work, maybe try coming back later. Maybe a lot of kids are trying to log on at the same time. So if you could go back and try to do it again later. Also make sure you have all the capital letters correct in your username and in your password. Okay? So today, all you're going to do is sending a letter in the mail video, sending an email video, and then take either the easy or hard quiz. Okay? That's all you're doing for writing today. Super quick. All right, those are your assignments for the day. Please, please, please make sure you're asking questions on my Google Meet or on the stream if you have questions about any of the assignments. All right, let's have a great Monday, everybody.